Hi, I'm Sarah Hay, and this is a Duke Workday. I am the Senior Events and Communications Manager at the Sanford School of Public Policy. I am responsible for the logistics and the communications and the coordination of all of our major events here at Sanford. A majority of that includes our Sanford Distinguished Lecture Series, and the point of them is to bring in really cool people who are at the forefront of their fields. Today we'll be having Kate Darling come, and she is a robotics scientist. On a typical lecture day, we'll normally do a student meeting with about 20 or less students who are really interested in that field of public policy. And then we'll take the speaker to whatever venue we're using for our lecture. I'm doing 1,000 different things at the same time. I'm connecting with the AV team at the venue to make sure they have the microphones set up, the slideshow, connecting with our student workers and my team to make sure that we have someone greeting folks when they come in the door. And then after the lecture itself, we normally have a dinner or a reception. I love event planning. I love bringing people together. I can't imagine myself being anywhere else right now. We're here at the Public Policy School. We're trying to make the world a better place, and if I can be just a small part of that, it makes me delighted.
For more videos from working at Duke, subscribe